Hello everyone, this is just a dad. Today I'm going to do a comparison between the Hot Shot liquid roach bait and the Advion cockroach gel bait. So I do like these, the Hot Shot ones, because they're just a lot simpler to use. You get 6 of them inside here. They're easy. There's like this. You just get 6 of them. Open it up. You're going to take this little cover off. Okay, make sure you throw that away. Then you're going to simply put it back in this little station right here, and then you can set this wherever you would like. So it does say you're supposed to replace the bait station in 3 months or if it's empty. So again, I like that you can just place this around. They're going to go up in there and they're going to be able to eat that, and then they will not last. Now this is a gel bait that's in a syringe, and you've got to apply it yourself. You're going to take this off. You're going to put the little applicator part on right here. So there's a lot more work involved in this. Put the little applicator tip on. And you got to squish out about a quarter inch of bait gel. And you want to put this in a place where kids can't get into it or anything. So you're going to be applying this around, but you do get quite a bit of it there. Yeah, we get 4 of these great big syringes, and we get the little caps we can put on here also. These ones, the Hot Shots, are just a little bit easier to use. I put one underneath my refrigerator and kind of one behind the cabinets, kind of out of the way. I hope this comparison video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.